story. No, wait. Gotta do the whole thing on
Yeah.
me. Hey guys, it's Elle.
And Sai.
Hi. And we're back with another video.
Story time.
Available on iTunes. Today we're gonna be talking about breakups. So get your tissues.
Breakups.
Mine's kind of funny.
Actually, mine is.
Terribly devastating.
No, it ain't even that sad. It's just like, well, shit happens.
Well, I'll go first. I was in high school. Sophomore just started. I'd been with this boy for about 3 months. We went to the movies to have like a fun start of summer date. Oops, sorry, I scratched ya. We went to see Don't Mess with the Zohan, you know, the Adam Sandler movie.
Yeah,
where he was
I remember.
Yeah, so we were in the movie theaters and we're like making out or whatever and not watching the movie.
How old are you?
I was like 15.
I bet kids don't even go to the movies no more.
So anyway, yeah, we were at the movies, we were making out, and all of a sudden he goes, I really like you, but I don't think it's gonna work out anymore. And I was like,
In the middle of making
in the
out?
middle of making out, in the middle of the movie. And I was like, what? And so I started crying, because I'm a crybaby. So I started crying, and I was like, are you really breaking up with me right now in the middle of this movie? And he was like, yeah, I'm sorry, I still like you. You still want to make out? I was like, yeah. We continued to make out. Oh wait, I must have been 16 because I had my car. Because he didn't have a ride home.
And you had to take
So
a.
I drove him home. We got to his house and outside he was like, how about we make out one last time? So we're making out on the driveway. It was the most dramatic thing ever. We were making out on the driveway and then I like pull out to go and then he's like, wait.
Give you one more
I need
kiss.
one more.
Yeah.
So this is back and forth of like me trying to leave.
And him just.
But still wanting to make out because I still liked him. I didn't want to break up, but he did. And then he just wanted to be single for the summer.
Oh.
And then school started again, and then he was like,
And you want to be my girlfriend?
and I said,
Oh my. That's a smart man though.
so funny.
He's a smart man.
He is, you know?
He didn't want to hurt you.
Right.
It's not gonna work right now. He kept it 100. I actually commend him.
I'm not even mad about it. I think it's funny.
It's hella funny.
And now I can't watch Don't Mess with the Zohan because
Ah,
I'm traumatized.
bro.
That's mine.
Okay, so my breakup story is really me, actually. I did the breaking up. Ugh. Well, this happened when I was like 14, like the summer of when I was 14. I'm a young bull, you know me. I'm out here. Ladies love me. Yeah. No, they actually, nah, they did. They did, because I used to get out look like Usher when I was a kid, because I had the haircut.
And everybody loves Usher.
They did.
Yeah, I could see that from
So-
your like younger pictures.
Right?
I could see that.
Young bull. Alright. I didn't have facial hair like that yet, so I was just out there baby facing females.
Dangerous.
Woo! So I was dating this girl roughly for like a month. It was really like the most boring relationship ever. It's like we don't really see each other. When we do see each other, she was acting hella shy, like we weren't dating already. Felt like I was trying to ask her out on a date still, even though she was my girlfriend. It was weird. When I wanted to be single, I wanted to be single. So I told her straight up, I was like, yeah, this is not gonna work. I never get to see you. You're gone. I'm gone. I'm always at my grandma's house. Like I'm just not gonna see you, so there's really no point. We don't talk like that. And then when I do see you, it's like, you know, it's nothing. And she hit me with the we can work it out.
Oh, that's sad. I've been that girl.
And I'm like, no. And I'm like, no, we can't. I was like, honestly, no, it's just, I'm just not happy. Like this ain't fun. Like it's not cool.
Which, if you're ever feeling that way, the best thing to do is get out. Like, don't pretend. Don't try to fake stuff. That is the worst thing to do. If it's,
Get out.
That was amazing. You got it for the best in the end for both of you. I'm just trying to tell the children. I'm just trying to teach the children.
I was like, nah, it ain't gonna work. And she was like, yeah, it will, and we're gonna work it out. And I'm like, wait a minute, is she forcing me in this relationship? I said, okay. I hang up. Cause I don't know what to do. I gotta collect my thoughts. Cause what? So I'm in a relationship for another 2 weeks. Cause I don't know what the hell.
I'm making out post breakups. He's still dating.
I'm still dating this chick that I'm not even talking to. And then somebody, my cousin hit me with it, don't you still got a girlfriend? Shh. I do. I call her. Hello? Hey, miss you. I don't miss you. Like, I had to be blunt, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I don't want to be with you. And she like, we're gonna be together. It's fine. We're gonna work it out. I'm like,
Oh my god.
so this is what I do. I go, man, I cheated on you. It's this girl in my grandma's neighborhood. I like her. and we've been talking, so, you know, and she hit me with the, you dumb, you ain't nothing but a cheater, da, da, da. Disclaimer, I never cheated. I've never cheated on a girl in my life. It's just like, I can't do it. I feel karma, like karma's a real thing for me. But at the same time, I was just like,
but you use it as
nigga, let me go. Like, not let me go, but actually let me go, because I want to go. Let me go.
It's surprise, plot twist if you're watching.
Hope you're not, because I never cheated. Just didn't want to use.
She calls you, she hits you up, and I saw the video.
Hey,
I think we can make it work. Woo! Alright guys, those are our breakups. I hope that they made you laugh or cry or feel something.
Or learn something.
If you like this video, please like, and if you're not subscribed to us, do that right now.
Make sure you subscribe to us. Also guys, make sure you leave a comment below on what you want to see us do next.
Worst luck, we'll do it all.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, baby.